Samsung Galaxy A27 5G, a power-packed mid-range contender. Smart performance, vivid display, and 5G connectivity, all in one sleek package. Samsung continues to expand its Galaxy S series lineup with the Samsung Galaxy A27 5G, delivering a solid mix of performance, design, and camera capabilities for users who want a reliable and feature-rich smartphone. With its balanced hardware and the latest software, the A27 5G is aimed at users seeking a seamless experience for both productivity and entertainment. Sleek design and vivid Super AMOLED display. The Galaxy A27 5G boasts a 6.74-inch Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels and a 120 Hz refresh rate. This combination offers smooth scrolling, vivid colors, and sharp visuals, ideal for watching videos, playing games, or simply browsing. The display features a modern water drop notch, keeping the screen unobstructed while maintaining a sleek aesthetic. Smooth performance with Android V16. Running on the latest Android V16 OS, the Galaxy A27 5G is designed to provide a user-friendly interface and enhanced security features. Under the hood, it's powered by an octa-core processor, supported by 6GB of RAM and an additional 6GB of virtual RAM, ensuring that multitasking and app performance stay smooth and responsive. With 128GB of internal storage and support for memory expansion up to 1TB via hybrid memory card slot, users have plenty of room for apps, photos, and videos. Triple lens camera setup for versatile photography. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the triple rear camera system, consisting of a 50MP main sensor with OIS, optical image stabilization, an 8MP ultrawide lens, and a 2MP macro lens. This versatile setup enables detailed, wide-angle, and close-up shots with good clarity. For video creators, the rear camera supports 4K UHD recording at 30 frames per second. On the front, the 13MP selfie camera ensures clear selfies and smooth video calls. Connectivity and battery life. The Samsung Galaxy A27 5G comes equipped with the latest 5G connectivity, along with 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth version 5.4, USB-C version 2.0, and NFC, ensuring users stay connected with minimal lag and enhanced wireless performance. The device is powered by a massive 5,500 mAh battery, which promises all-day endurance, and supports 25W fast charging to get you powered up quickly. Final thoughts. The Samsung Galaxy A27 5G brings together a vivid display, dependable performance, and a capable camera setup, all wrapped in Samsung's trusted design language. It's an ideal choice for users looking to step into the 5G era without compromising on essential features. Whether you're a student, professional, or casual user, the Galaxy A27 5G stands as a promising mid-range smartphone that covers all the bases.